Welcome back to Blue's Garden Tips, sowing onion seeds. First up, I'm going to prepare my seed trays by sifting out some seed starter mix that has some vermiculite and perlite in it. I get all of the large chunks out. I like a really soft, fluffy mix. First thing for me to plant is going to be chives. I'm going to plant up a couple of small 2-inch by 2-inch trays, cells of chives. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of some soil on top. Don't bury it too deep. Onions like to be really shallow. Next up, I'm going to put a couple of little trays worth of red beard bunching onions. I use these to cook all the time. Actually, this is not all of them that I'm going to make. I'm going to plant more than this, but I use these red beard bunching onions for cooking all the time. Again, a real light, shallow amount. I label each of the cells so I don't forget what's where. That just makes it easier when I'm planting outside to know where. Next up is some Utah yellow sweet Spanish onion. And I'm going to do that in a larger 4x4 tray. I'm going to overseed with an awful lot of onion in. The roots of onions are easy to separate when you transplant them outside. And again, don't forget, label everything. Next up after that is some white, sweet Spanish onion. Again, overseed in my little 4x4. I'm going to then label, and don't forget a nice light coating on top. After that, Pompeii onion. Again, another one I cook with a lot, so I'm actually going to do 2 of the 4x4 trays, overseed lots, and as again, the roots come apart real easily when you're transplanting them outside. Again, filling up the 2 trays, a nice shallow coating of some of the seed mix on top. And last up for me is a ruby red long day onion. Again, I'm going to overseed in my 4x4s. I use these quite a bit, and I also store them. A little shallow coat and label them, a little shallow covering of some seed starter mix over the top. After that, under the grow lights, everything goes. And on top of a heat mat, which is on, it keeps everything nice, the soil nice and warm until it's time for germination. Thank you. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips. Thank you very much.